Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set a custom notification and a custom ringtone on your Google Pixel 8a. So all you need to do is download the ringtone from the internet onto your device. If I go into the files application and I go into internal storage, and then if I go into download, you will notice that I have this iPhone 6 original ringtone MP3, and I also have the cache register sound effect MP3. We're going to use those as our custom ringtone and a custom notification ringtone. So the next thing you need to do is you will go into settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down, go into sound and vibration, go into phone ringtone. Now herein you will see you have a bunch of different options. The option which we are looking for is called my sounds. Select that and tap on the plus sign on the bottom right. This is going to open the file manager. Then you have to tap on the three bar menu on the top left or the hamburger menu. And once you do that, you will have a slide out menu. Go into Pixel 8a. Now go to the folder where you have downloaded your custom ringtone or your custom notification tone. In my case, it is in the download folder. I'm going to select that, and you will notice that we have our custom ringtone, which is the iPhone original sound. Next up, we're going to select this. Next up, we're going to select this custom ringtone. It is going to play in the background, and then you have to select or choose the option of save on the top right, which is going to be enabled. So let me select this, and it is playing, and I can say save, and now my ringtone is set to this newly downloaded custom ringtone on the Google Pixel 8a. Back on the main page of sound and vibration, we can scroll down, and herein you need to go into the option of default notification sound. Select that, go into my sounds, tap on the plus sign on the bottom right, same thing, three bar menu on the top left, go into your device, go to the folder where you have your custom notification sound or custom notification ringtone. In my case, the download folder. We're going to select this cache register, and now herein we're going to follow the same process which we did for our custom ringtone. Select this notification tone and then tap on the save on the top right, which is going to get enabled once you select it. It played in the background. We can say save on the top right, and bam, there it is. Our new custom notification sound is the one which we just selected, which is a cache register. And there it is, peeps. That is how you set a custom ringtone and a custom notification sound on your Google Pixel 8a.